Hey there, I definitely owe you a 2018 brow tutorial. Here it is. Hope you enjoy and learn. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna moisturize my skin with the MAC Mineralized Charged Water. It's a moisturizing gel that I've been using throughout the winter because my skin gets really dry. And yeah, I've been loving it. Then with the Beauty Bakerie Yellow Flower Setting Powder, I'm gonna go on top of my my brows with it because the moisturizing gel can make my brows very slippery. And I use this powder to dry them out. Now I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil in the shade Bangin Brunette. I've been using this brow pencil throughout the whole year. It's been my favorite. I've already bought it like, I don't know, 10 times. I usually get a lot because sometimes they sell out. I don't know, it's just been very easy for me to work with this pencil because it goes on very smooth and it's pigmented. Like, it's really pigmented. I love it. And guys, when doing my brows, I just literally follow the natural line of my eyebrows. It may not always be straight, or it may not always be as you want them to look like, but you can always draw out of your natural line. Not too much, just a little bit. And make sure that when you get to the front, you make lines or strikes. I don't know how to really say it. That way it looks like it gives it that fading effect. To conceal my brows, I really use any concealer that I like, but my favorites are the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand, or yeah, Tan Sand, and the MAC Prolong Wear in the shade NW 45, 40, or 30. Any of those. I don't really pay much attention, but what I like to do is go with the lightest color on the bottom, and then go with a darker, or like, yeah, a warmer color on top of my brows, just to give it that natural look on top, and then the highlighted look on my eyelid. The last step is to blend out the concealer, and for that I used a small packed brush or a beauty blender for my entire eyelid. Then I usually just go over some lines that I might have erased with the concealer, and done. That's really all I do, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial, small tutorial, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, which I hope is gonna be soon. Bye guys, I love you.